Hi boys and girls, go ahead and write your name at the top of your paper. We're going to do some more filling in the missing numbers and then counting on our number line. And this is really going to help us when we start adding and subtracting. So let's do the first one together. So 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Okay, let's see if you can do the next one by filling them in yourself. So the first is 11. Then what's going to come next? 13. Then what? 15. 17. 19. Very good. Okay, now it's getting a little bit harder because you still have to come up with the numbers yourself. So what do you think the first two numbers are going to be? 11 and 12. Very good. Then what are the two numbers missing in the middle? 15 and 16. And what are the two numbers missing at the end? 19 and 20. Very good. Okay, now what's the first number? 11, then 13, 14, then 17, 18, and 20. Now on this next one, you have quite a few numbers that are missing, but you can do it. It's going to start with 11 and then just write those missing numbers. And then we have 15 and then 16, 17, 18, 19, and then 20. And then on the last row, you're going to write all the numbers from 11 to 20. 11, then what? 12, 13, 14, 15, then what comes next? 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Good. And now what your teacher wants you to do next. Turn it over to the next side. And what we're going to do is we're going to draw the shapes where it asks us to do it. So it says add 3 and then we're going to do the circles. So 1, 2, 3. What number did we end on? 13. Now we're going to draw 7 hearts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What number did we stop on? 17. Good. Now we're going to add 6. So start on the first one and draw 6 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And what number did we stop on? 16. Now, if you don't know how to do stars, it's okay. You could just do circles instead because sometimes stars are a bit tricky. But we're going to do 4 of them. So do 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What number did we stop on? 14. Very good. Now we're going to add 5 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. What number did we stop on? 15. Very good. And the last one is 10 ovals. So we're going to add 10 across. And if we do 10, what number do you think we're going to stop on? Did you say 20? Okay, maybe. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You were right. We stopped on 20. Nice job, team. You did great today on your math seat work, and I really appreciate it. Go ahead and put it away and